Inabutan niyo ba yung slam book? Mayroon doong isang tanong. Kung sa edad natin ngayon, sasagutan natin yung tanong na iyon. What is love? Ano ang isasagot natin?
Hello, love. To my grown baby dragon, finally, we made it. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala magpasakal. Kasal. Araw-araw tayong nagtatalo. Ganito siguro talaga kapag first time. I still remember the first time we met. Sobrang anghel ng mukha mo nun at napaka-demure mo. At akala ko sobrang seryoso mo. Pero habang lumalalim ang ating pagkakakilala, nakita ko ang iyong tunay na kulay, ang iyong kabaitan. Buti na lang hindi ako nag-give up sa iyo kahit every other week kang mag-reply sa mga chat ko.
You never rushed me. You never pressured me. You just stayed steady, patient, and kind. Hindi ko na malayan na ikaw na pala yung peace I didn't know I was praying for.
Hey Ruben, sana yung perfect wife lang nakita mo. Kasi tagal, pinangarap ko. Good luck and panibagong journey na yung gawin at sakit.
Thirdy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jovi na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Father.
At kapag dumating na ang araw ng kanilang kamatayan, kapag tinanong sila kung ano ang pag-ibig o what is love, ang maisagot nawa nila ay ang isa't isa.
They say the holy water's watered down.
Ang pag-ibig
And this town's lost
ay
its
hindi
faith.
isang
The
abstract
colors will
concept.
fade. Eventually,
Kinakailangan na ang
sun is
pag-ibig
running
ay
out.
maging konkreto.
Day after day.
Kinakailangan na ang pag-ibig maiparanas. Sila ngayon ang magiging larawan, the very definition of love for each other.
You're taking me out of the ordinary.
Alam kong hindi naging madali sa ang ating journey. Simula nung nagkakilala tayo hanggang sa araw na ito. Mga pagsubok na sumukat sa ating pagmamahalan at mga hamon na dumaan sa ating relasyon. Sa huli, nandyan ka pa rin, yayakap ka.
Of the ordinary.
I choose to give you this watch so that every time you check the time, you'll remember that from this day forward, we're sharing every hour, every minute, and every moment together.
My jealous knowing we found.
And today, I stand here with a heart completely ready to be yours, finally, fully and ready. Today, I choose you in this life and in every life after this, in every version of myself, and in every moment God blesses us with.
You're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried.
Jovi, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Thirdy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
So this world, the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shadow me when you touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found.
Mahal na mahal kita at excited na ako bumuo ng 2 girls at 2 dragons. Harapin ang mga susunod na kabanata ng ating buhay bilang mag-asawa. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa iyong pagmamahal at suporta. Love, Thirdy. Love you.
Thank you for waiting for me. Thank you for giving me a future I once thought I wasn't ready. You are my greatest blessing, my sweetest adventure, my answered prayer. I promise to love with you and grow old with you and build a home filled with joy, safety, and so much love.
You got me